Hey guys, and welcome back again to Cindy's Kitchen. I'm Cindy.
Hey.
This is my kitchen. Behind the camera is Michael. And right there around, sniffing everything, see what you can like suck up, you know, like they're like vacuum cleaners. That's Ginger and Teddy. Where's Teddy? Teddy boy. Oh, there he is, laying in his shade. Oh, okay. So right now, I'm going to be doing some Dominican chicken chunks. Like pollo frito, Dominican fried chicken chunks. We call it that because what we do is we season it with like, it's a whole chicken cut up that I have here. Okay, it has breast, it has chicken legs, little chicken legs, a couple of wings. And then the chicken, I cut it, like you see, this is part of a leg. And I cut it, you can see the bone in the middle. I cut it in little pieces. I'm not going to flour or anything because I don't like that. But what I'm going to do, I'm going to fry it in hot corn oil. And what I did with this, I season it with salt and pepper and oregano and garlic powder and onion powder and cumin. And let me see, and that's about it. And it's going in, and it's very hot. You gotta back up, Mike.
Back it up, back it up.
So this is Dominican chicken chunks.
And it has bone.
Oh, there you go. Yeah, some of it has bone.
Bone in.
Some of it doesn't. We got
so it's random.
Yeah, we got some chicken breast there. No chicken breast, and we're just gonna fry that so it's really nice and crispy, and then I'm gonna take it out. I'm gonna put it in this designated plate that I have over there. You know, my little beautiful white plate.
Oh, let's see the beautiful white plate. There you go.
So what I'm gonna do now, that's gonna fry. As you can see it, I want you, Michael, to show everybody. That's gonna fry like for 5 minutes on high. Okay, I'm just gonna put it. Hold on a second. I'm just going to lower it to 8. It's going to fry like for 5 to 6 minutes. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to let you go. And I'm going to come back. And when I come back, I'm going to be moving it to the other side. I'm not going to speak. And then you're going to, guys going to see the brown. And then we're going to cook it for another 5 minutes. And then when I'm ready to get it close, then I'll come back. And I'll see you guys. So you guys can see how beautiful it is. I'll take a little bite of it. That's what I'm going to be eating for dinner. Don't forget to subscribe. And don't forget to come right back and follow us. I'm gonna get them now. As you can see, they're done, nice and crispy.
Nice and done, nice and done.
These are like the legs that I cut.
Oh.
And then that's part of like the breast over there that I haven't cooked. But since nobody else wants, I'm the only one that's gonna eat it.
It's okay, we'll eat it tomorrow.
A little bit more of these 2 little baby legs, and then 2, you know, because you know how I am, right, Michael?
Oh yeah.
But more or less, that's how it's gonna look. That's gonna be coming out, and like, what do you think? They're done?
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah.
Sure?
Oh yeah.
Okay. You know how I am, right?
Oh yeah.
Like my stuff nice and cooked.
Nice and cooked, nice and cooked.
You have to get back up, Michael, so you don't get burned, but...
No problem, Mama.
What I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna eat this with a little bit of salad that I have over there. You see that little salad I put over there?
Oh, let me show everyone. Yes.
Yep, and this is my little fried pollo that I love. As you can see, I'm gonna bring it over here. As you can see, it's still crisping, right? Like cooking. You see, like glistening. Looks like.
So this is from a whole chicken.
Like that's not the whole chicken because I only made a little bit. Look, the other half is here. I told you. Look.
No, but I mean, it comes from the whole chicken.
Yeah, from the whole chicken. You just like little parts of the chicken. I cut it up in little pieces, and then I'm gonna eat that with a little bit of a salad here and some of my tomatoes because I'm a
tomato girl. She's a tomato girl.
Tomato and salad, and I'll put a little bit of my olive oil on my salad. Or I have some dressing in the fridge, right, Mike?
Look at that, everybody.
That we can just, you know what I'm saying, just use that. I mean, it's all gonna be good.
Beautiful.
See, with these delicious tomatoes. I'm gonna put them around. See, like this on my little salad or my little, right, Michael?
Oh yeah, let me see that salad.
Little cucumbers and little tomatoes like that. And then I would like for you guys to try to make it. Maybe you guys can just go ahead and, you know, just do it. If you're not experienced, remember when I have said before, try not to cook in the front. If you're not experienced cooking, you want to start in the back, and you want to always keep your body away from the stove, so avoid from getting burned. I'm just saying. That's about it. That's about covers it today. And these are my chicken chunks. I just want to take a little piece so you guys can see.
How's that taste?
There's no coming out. There's this dark meat. This is from a leg. Not for ketchup, but I just want to tell you that this is delicious. Don't forget to follow us, like us on Instagram, on Twitter, on Pinterest, on Google Plus, and like us on Facebook, and love yourselves, and don't drink and drive, and eat your fried chicken like I am right now with your tomatoes and your lettuce. This is delicious. I'm gonna give you some ketchup.
That looks so good.
I like a little ketchup with my food. But with that said, good night. Love you guys. And don't drink and drive, okay? God bless everyone.